Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fit and mounting location. Measure the center line, check transom clearance, and mock up the console with clamps so you can visualize cable runs. Once marked, drill pilot holes through the hull floor and add backing plates where the bolts will land. This spreads loads and prevents damage. Make sure to disconnect the battery before any cutting or drilling to avoid sparks. Taking these actions first saves time and prevents rework later when routing controls and wiring. Next, assemble the control components and wire them into place. Feed throttle and shift cables through pre-cut holes and secure with grommets so they move freely without chafing. Attach steering components and check neutral/kill switch operation. Run battery and ignition wiring through conduit, fuse at the battery, and label each lead for troubleshooting. Make sure to use marine-grade connectors and zinc anti-corrosion compound on terminals so electrical connections stay reliable in a wet environment. Once done, test mechanical linkages and circuit continuity before finalizing. Now you permanently fasten the console. Coat bolt holes and flange areas with marine sealant, then torque bolts evenly to the console manufacturer's spec. Use backing plates to maintain distribute load. Install access panels for future service and tidy wiring with zip ties and loom. After mounting, run a full functional check: steering responsiveness, throttle range, kill switch, lights, and gauges. If something binds or an electrical circuit fails, recheck cable routing, ground connections, and fuse placement. Most issues are loose connections or pinched cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.